Hey, it's Eric at Tri-State Public Safety, and we want to give you a quick example of how we think outside the box and how maybe we've solved some people's issues with, in particular, SUVs that have a light stick in the back window, and what happens when you are maybe working out of the back of your SUV and maybe you don't have a whole lot of rear lighting, but when your hatch goes up, your light stick goes with it, and now your rear warning is either non-existent or very, very limited. So what we did is we came up with a mount that allows you with one-handed operation to just reach up, pull the light stick down, and now you have rear warning back again. Pretty cool, huh? Not very expensive, and it works. And then, of course, when you're done, you can just walk back up and just push the light stick back up in its normal position. Lower your hatch, and you're back in business.